This Chinese bakery-style baked red bean buns recipe takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes to prepare and yields 10 to 12 delicious buns, serving 5 to 6 people. Imagine soft, fluffy milk bread buns filled with sweet, velvety adzuki red bean paste, baked to a golden perfection and topped with nutty white sesame seeds. Each bite is a perfect balance of tender bread and rich, subtly sweet filling. These irresistible buns are a beloved treat straight from your favorite Chinese bakery, perfect warm or at room temperature. Ready to bake up some happiness? Let's now check the ingredients. Bread flour 3 cups, 360 grams. Granulated sugar 1/4 cup, 50 grams. Instant yeast 2 1/4 teaspoons, 7 grams. Warm milk 1 cup, 240 milliliters, about 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. Large egg 1. Unsalted butter 3 tablespoons, 45 grams, softened. Fine salt 1 teaspoon, 5 grams. Sweet red bean paste, du sha, 1 1/2 cups, 400 grams, store-bought or homemade. Optional from scratch filling. Dried adzuki beans, 1 cup, 200 grams. Sugar 1/2 cup, 100 grams. Neutral oil, 2 tablespoons. Pinch of salt. Egg wash, 1 egg beaten with 1 tablespoon milk. White sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. Optional glaze, 1 tablespoon honey mixed with 1 tablespoon hot water. Neutral oil or butter for greasing bowl. Parchment paper. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Make the dough. In a bowl, whisk warm milk, sugar, and instant yeast. Let stand 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Beat in the egg. Combine flour and salt in a large bowl. Add the yeast mixture and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead 8 to 10 minutes working in the softened butter until smooth, elastic, and slightly tacky. First rise. Shape into a ball. Place in a lightly greased bowl, cover, and let rise in a warm spot until doubled, about 60 to 90 minutes. Prepare the filling. If using store-bought, sweet red bean paste, keep it chilled. For from scratch, soak adzuki beans overnight. Simmer until very tender, then cook with sugar, oil, and a pinch of salt until thick and glossy. Cool completely. Line a baking sheet with parchment. Punch down the dough and turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Divide into 10 to 12 equal pieces, about 55 to 70 grams each. Keep pieces covered so they don't dry. Portion the red bean paste into 10 to 12 balls, about 30 to 35 grams each, so the filling matches the dough pieces. Shape the buns. Flatten the dough piece into a disc. Place a filling ball in the center. Gather edges and pinch firmly to seal. Place seam side down on the baking sheet. Repeat with remaining dough and filling. Second rise. Cover loosely and let proof until puffy and nearly doubled, 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Brush buns lightly with egg wash and sprinkle with sesame seeds. For extra shine, plan a second light coat of egg wash halfway through baking if desired. Bake on the center rack for 15 to 18 minutes until deep golden brown and the bottoms sound hollow when tapped. If tops brown too quickly, tint with foil. Optional glaze. Immediately after baking, brush with a thin honey water glaze for a soft, glossy finish. Cool on a wire rack at least 15 minutes. Serve warm or at room temperature. Store airtight 1 to 2 days or freeze up to 1 month. Now enjoy these pillowy baked red bean buns with your friends and family. Happy baking!